Unlock your full potential. How to use radionics to manifest your desires at high speed. Creative visualization has always been a valuable tool for achieving goals. However, many people seek methods that offer greater control and expand the possibilities of interacting with their desires. The answer may lie in radionics. When we program an authentic radionics device with specific objectives, we not only build a vibrational link with those objectives, but also create an energetic focus that guides our daily actions, both conscious and unconscious, toward achieving those goals. This process stimulates and maintains both motivation and commitment. Radionics and bioenergetics theory suggests that using an authentic radionics device allows us to eliminate energetic interferences and focus our intentions with laser precision. This reduces the time and effort needed to reach our goals. Additionally, knowing that we can activate and direct our energies towards our desires in a highly effective way provides us with a sense of control and responsibility over our lives, empowering us and increasing our active participation in shaping our reality. Manifesting desires involves more than just intensely wanting something. It requires an alignment of thoughts, emotions, and actions with the desired goal. Radionics facilitates this alignment by acting as a bridge between our conscious and unconscious mind, between vibration and realization, allowing our intentions to be transmitted to the universe clearly and coherently, facilitating their transformation into the physical reality in which we move. One of the first steps to achieving manifestation is having a clear intention. Radionics helps crystallize this intention through the precise use of radionics devices. By concentrating our energies on a specific desire, we eliminate distractions and scattered focus, increasing the likelihood of success. This point is fundamental. Sometimes we do not define our intention correctly because we express ourselves improperly. The words we use are crucial, as is the intention behind them. Words are units of language that have meaning and are used to communicate ideas, thoughts, emotions, and facts. That meaning is supported by thoughts that imply If we use inappropriate words when employing our radionics device, we might obtain something different from what we intend. Make sure to use affirmations that clearly reflect what you want to materialize, and not only program a long-term goal, but also the different stages that lead to the larger objective. Operating a radionics device is simple. Anyone can do it by following basic instructions. It allows you to interact with reality in an unimaginable way, expanding your vision of life, actions, and results. It facilitates change and enables positive outcomes. But above all, it can pleasantly surprise those who use it correctly. What are you waiting for? Experiment and check the results. If you want to know more about radionics, subscribe to this channel or visit our website, www.radionicinternational.com, and download our book on radionics for free. We are waiting for you.